Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to add the hamburger menu icon button thing on WordPress Blocksy. Okay, let's start off with this. We are here on our mobile website and we only have buttons for our cart and our account and our homepage icon logo here. So how do we open our menu? Easy. Let's go ahead and click on the paintbrush icon here. Oh, that's our dashboard. Ooh. Let's go back to desktop. Let's go on customize. Okay, and go back to mobile and open the WordPress customizer. Okay, from here, let's go ahead and change our preview to mobile. And you can see again, we don't have our menu. Let's click on header, and we have all of these things. We have our off canvas area, which is our which is our mobile menu, or mobile menu area, I should say. And it's not button; it is called the trigger. So let's drag and drop that over here, and you'll see we get the hamburger icon. So we click on that, we finally get to access this. So let's see how else we can customize this. While we're here, we have 3 different options for the icon. We can also change the icon size. We can put an outline or make it a solid color. We can put some spacing to it. We can put an icon on it, and we can change the position, and we can click on design. We can also change the colors and stuff, but let's keep it, I'll make it a bit more round, I guess. Okay, and that should be fine. We can also change the margins if it doesn't look too good on our site, and it looks fine by me. So there's how we add it. Let's click on publish to save our changes, and let's reload our site, and we now have the hamburger menu icon. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.